Welcome to McPlum, simple solutions served daily.
Start by unboxing the Nintendo dock and its accessories carefully. Keep the dock upright and place it near your TV within reach of outlets. Clear space so the console can slide in without obstruction. Open the back flap and reveal the USB-C power port and HDMI port. Remove any plastic film from the dock and AC adapter before use. Position the dock on a stable, flat surface away from heat sources. Make sure the dock vents are unobstructed for proper airflow during gameplay. Plug the official 39W USB-C AC adapter into the dock's USB-C power port. Use a high-speed HDMI cable and connect it from the dock HDMI port to your TV HDMI input. Turn on the TV and set its input to the HDMI port you used. The dock outputs up to 1080p at 60Hz to TVs and down to 720p for handheld modes when applicable. Observe the dock's front LED to confirm power. If you see no picture, with Joy-Con controllers attached, slide the Nintendo Switch into the dock gently until the console display turns off. The TV should show the Switch home screen automatically within a few seconds. If you see no signal, reseat the HDMI and power cables and restart the console. Try a different HDMI port or try a different HDMI cable if problems persist. Avoid forcing the Switch into the dock or closing the back flap while cables are loose. Keep console vents clear and update system firmware for best compatibility.
Thanks for watching. Stay juicy and subscribe.